Now how to copy and paste image. Here I will break it down in steps for you to understand it more better. There is 2 steps which I'm going to show you here. How to copy and paste image from a website and how to copy your personal image. Now here first press on the image like this. Here I'm using Chrome to show you this example. Now here you can see copy. Now here click on copy. As you can see, I've copied the image. Now make sure you have Gboard and also Google Keep, which you can also use any keyboard that have this asset or that has integrated this feature in their keyboard. Now here what you do now is to go back like this. Now open the Google Keep like this, which is called Keep Notes. Here click on it. Now what you do now is to change your keyboard to Google Keyboard. Now after changing your keyboard, what you do now is to press. You can see the image here. What you do now is to press on it like this. As you can see, I've pasted this, you see it, and then go back like this. Now as you can see, I've copied and pasted this image from the website, and then here you see it. Now the second one is how to copy your personal image and paste it. What you do now is to here, go back here, go to your gallery where you kept the image or your storage where you kept the image. What you do now is to click on it like this, and here click on the image you want to use like this. And then what you do next is to screenshot it like this, using your 3 fingers on the screen, or screenshot it like this. As you can see, I've screenshot it. Now crop it. Now save it. Now what you do now here is to go back again to the Google Keep like this. Now here add it to any note you want to add it to, or add it to any note you want to add it to like this. And then click on here. As you can see, I've copied and pasted my image. You see it here. Now to access this second feature I showed you now, is what you do now is to press on this here. So now here click on this icon here. Now here click on settings here. And here click on this clipboard here. Now here make sure you turn on this toggle here. Make sure it's on. In order to use this second feature, you can see here. Now you can see here save recent shot in clipboard. You see it here. Now that's how to do it. Now go back here. Now any screenshot you do anywhere will be saved inside your Gboard, and then you will paste it here as I showed you now. Now also you can send this from here by going back here and then press on it like this, and then click on this 3-line icon on the side here, and then click on send here. Now you can send it to your Facebook here. You can send it to any app you want to send it here. From here you can see it here. So that's how to do it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.